Welcome back to the channel, guys. 1097 Mods here, back with another video for you today. It's bright and early because it's gonna be 100 degrees out throughout the day, which I'm not planning to be in washing the car and recording, but changes already started to happening. As you guys can see, the license plate holes, or the distance between the holes, this is my paper tag that I got here, is different than a regular USDM license plate. Now I got this one off Amazon. Hope you guys like it. It's an ST202, which is the model of my Celica, and obviously it's a JDM, and I customed it for it so I can record some videos and maybe get to a meet and swap up the boring regular license plate. And without further ado, let's put this on the car and let me show you around. The regular USDM plates, if you see here, if I line up the first hole, it doesn't match. I would need to either move it, but then obviously you'll be short on the other side. So that's why I was modifying this new license plate that I got so I can have both holes matching so we can actually use this. So let's line it up. There you have it. Now, a lot of people has been asking me, why did I buy a JDM car? Especially as a daily. You should daily a newer car and then actually have a project car on the side. And I'm actually gonna do it differently. I'm gonna daily a car from 1996, and I will eventually have my new car parked in the garage for the weekend. Now, why did I do it? Guys, it's a Toyota. This Celica has basically a Corolla engine in it. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you why I got this specific car. But before we do that, I'm gonna give it a quick wash. It's not gonna be a washing video, but then I can show you how it is. And it's actually gonna be the first wash of the Celica, because I bought it 3 weeks ago, but I was so busy the first 2 weeks I hadn't had chance to record anything. It's been over 100 degrees all these days, plus I was a week out of town. So let me fire it up and then we'll go from there. Okay, I'll show you guys the interior in a second, but one thing I like to do, listen to the fuel pump. There we go. When I heard the fuel pump, when I actually went to get it, and then you do this is actually a cold start. It's right now, it's like 7 in the morning. That, guys, is a very much cold start on the Toyota Celica. The first wash of the Toyota Celica is actually brought to you by our new partnership, which is Yamatic. Yamatic has just sent me this foam cannon, which is our first collaboration. They also sent me a turbo nozzle, which I'll show you guys later. Today's video, we're gonna do a quick wash. I'm not gonna show you in depth and everything, but it's more for me to test out this spray gun, adjust the nozzle tip and stuff like that, and then we'll show you an unboxing in a future video. There we go. Let's get it washed. Okay guys, the car is nicely washed and clean. Now that everything is ready, I'm set to go out. I'm gonna take a quick spin with you guys in the car, get to a different spot, open the doors, open the hood, show you guys what a grade 4 auction car is from Japan. Now look at this, 26-year-old. There's not a lot of 26-year-old cars that you find on the road nowadays to start with, and especially looking in this kind of condition. This car is a grade 4 auction car in Japan. I am the first owner here in the United States. I did not order this car. This car came through a JDM dealer here in Dallas, so in a certain way they're the first owners, but I'm the first official driving it on the street, legally registered. Now there are some minor scuffs and dings that you'll find here and there, but nothing major. Structural, the bones are good. You guys heard it start up already. Everything is kind of stock-ish. These wheels are not from this car. We'll talk about it in the little near future. And you can see here a little scuff here, a little bit down there. So these headlights has been polished. These are most likely replaced. This one obviously either looks original and they couldn't find one. I mean, it is my daily. I want it to look at least decent, which it already does, but if I can improve it and if I can find those and they're not crazy expensive, why not? Now, interior, black interior. It is in very great condition, as mint as it can be. There are not even a crack, no minor crack or big scratch on the dash. Now it is automatic. Like I said, it's my daily. I don't want a daily stick shift. Got some change in there. This one work. All of these cars, it's hard to get a cup holder. It's very small, but this one actually has two. Doesn't work perfect, but it does the job, and it's hidden. So the chairs or the seats, everything moves, nothing crazy about it. And it has still OEM carpet, which I'm gonna put something different just to protect these. I mean, they look great to me, but I'll still protect them a little bit more. You can see here the back seats, everything is intact, no rips, no nothing. So one thing I noticed, the speakers on this side works kind of okay, but these not so great. Let me show you the radio. Now the radio actually works. /NPR. I don't want to get copyrighted.
You're on leave right now. Dallas Fort Worth's uplifting.
It does not sound great, I'm not gonna lie to you, and that's due to the speakers that I just showed you. But all the lower channels, it actually picks up. Now I don't think I'm gonna replace this OEM radio because the CD and the cassette works, but I got something in the future, or actually I got it at home already. I just waiting for more time to install it, but I'll show you guys in the future. Now AC, everything works. It blows cold air. Without an AC, I would have never bought this car because it's not worth it. It's actually 90 degrees outside right now as I'm recording. So dash, everything is in kilometers, so you need to get used to it. I'll show you guys while I'm driving how it goes. The car has even working power folding mirrors. That's how crazy this is. It has obviously power windows. It has power locks, not like this, but with the key it will actually open and close the other side. So that's how crazy clean this car has been maintained. On the inside I got my mirror here, so the lights work in here. So it's just ridiculous how great everything works on this car. So let me show you the trunk and then the engine bay. Now when I opened this hatch back thing, I was like expecting me to put some kind of a post or metal to hold this, but these strut things actually work. So not sure if it's been replaced or not, but they are OEM. I doubt they've been replaced, but I might be wrong. Now, trunk for this little car is not too bad, and it has here a jack that's barely been used, and even this, look at the spare wheel, it looks like it's never been touched, so which is also a good thing to know. So the car, as you guys may know, has not been driven a lot. It has right now around 90 or 91,000 kilometers, which is about 57, it's less than 60,000 miles. Now here is the engine bay. Nothing too crazy about it. It is a 100% stock engine bay. There are no turbos, obviously no intercooler, nothing like that. Everything is OEM. It has still the label when everything has been replaced. Like this battery has been replaced at 70,000 kilometers. This engine, it's actually a 3S GE engine. If it would have had a T in there, would have been a turbo, then we would have been talking way more horsepower. It only produced 180 horsepower. It has a 2000, obviously it's a 2.0 liter twin cam engine. This is basically the same engine that comes in the Corollas. So everything from a Corolla I can actually use on this car besides the drivetrain, because everything is flipped to the other side. Now, like I said, the car is not perfect. I'm gonna show you also the flaws that the car has. It needs to be deep cleaned. It has some minor rust there. The biggest rust part I found is down here, and that will have to be treated. Everything will get like new. Just take some time. Again, it's a daily, I'm not rushing into it. It's not a show car, but I want it to be still representable. Now here you can see a little bit of wear and tear on the door panel, but I mean, for 26 years old, I'll take it every day of the week. Now there will be a lot of stuff coming to the channel. I will do a lot of upgrades on this car. It is my daily, but I'm still gonna make it look nice. Just to give you some hints already, if you're still watching this video at this time, thank you very much. I will be putting some new wheels on the car. Eventually I will lower this car. Not sure if I'm gonna do springs or coilovers, and I'm actually waiting for the prices to come out of the Supra. If you're not aware of anything, I will be ordering the 2023 Mark V Supra with a manual transmission. So as soon as the prices go out, I will give you guys an update, and then as soon as that car becomes available to order, I will be ordering it also. So thank you very much for watching. If you like these kind of videos, please subscribe to the channel, hit the post notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Out. One last thing before I go. Once you hit reverse, it starts beeping, which is actually pretty cool, because I don't have any kind of backup camera or anything like that, no parking sensors, so it makes me a little bit more cautious.